Hello, blessings everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys are loving the lighting because I sure am. My husband surprised me the other day with lighting and I was beyond grateful. I am so happy, so excited. I was doing my videos with sunlight and there's nothing better than sunlight, let me just say that. But everyone knows that there's just very limited time in the mornings, and being a mom and working and just sometimes like you get caught up and you're not able to do everything in the morning, and before you know it, the sunlight's gone. So I'm so excited for my lights. I'm so excited. I hope you guys notice a difference because I sure do. I'm still trying to get used to the lighting and how to angle it in the proper ways, but I'm so excited. And I'm going to do a voiceover this time because I'm literally losing my voice. So with that being said, we are going to create this look today. This is pretty much my everyday makeup routine, or an everyday makeup routine, because no, I do not wear makeup every day. But this is something that quick, easy. If you're out the door, you can change the lip combo to whatever it is suits you. You could wear chapstick, you could wear lipstick, you could wear nothing, whatever floats your boat. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to recreate this look, and I also threw in how to do this updo. If you want to see how we get this look, just keep watching. Okay, everybody, I'm just going to clip my hair back so that we can start with our look. And then I'm just going to go in with my NYX primer, and I'm just going to prime my face and really press that in. And then go in with my Morphe eyelid primer and just prime my eyes so that they're ready when I do have to go in and do the shadow. Going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm going to use the JH03 brush, and I'm just going to go in and buff that into my face, circular motions, and really pressing that foundation in. Then I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Neutral. And I'm just going to apply that under the eyes, nose, forehead, and on my chin, just to really highlight and accentuate those areas. And using my Morphe Beauty Blender just to blend all that out. Using my JH07 brush, I am going to dip that into the Collab translucent powder, and I'm just going to apply that wherever I put my concealer just to set the concealer. I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics flat foundation brush, and I'm going to dip that into the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish powder, and I'm just going to really press that into my face, setting any of the foundation. Then using the JH04 brush and dipping that into my BH Cosmetics blush palette, I'm going to use that mauve color, and I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks and kind of blend it backwards. Taking my JH02 brush and dipping it in my MAC bronzing powder, and I'm just going to bronze the cheeks, the forehead, the tip of my nose, down the neck, and then I'm just going to go back in with the Real Techniques bronzing brush, and I'm just going to kind of deepen the bronzer just a little bit more because this brush tends to pick up a lot better. Well, only when I use the MAC bronzing powder. And then I'm just going to take a spoolie and brush my brows in their place. And then I'm just going to go in with a angled flat brush, and I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame Dip Brow in the color Espresso, and I'm just going in to do my brows. If you want to see how I do my brows, I do have another video that I can link down below that shows you more in depth on how I do my brows. And there goes Grace. She just loves the camera and she just loves makeup. Pretty. Smile. Smile right there. Taking the BH Cosmetics Neutral Palette, and I'm just going to dip my brush into that color right there. And I'm just going to put that above the crease and just really blend that out. And that's pretty much the only color that I'm going to use, because I really don't go crazy with my shadow when I'm doing an everyday look. Taking this Ulta mascara, and I'm just going to apply that on my lashes. You can use falsies if you like, but I'm just going to use this more for a natural everyday look. Okay, so I was contemplating on whether to do color or a lip gloss, but I did go in with the color, and I'm just going to first go in with MAC Whirl lip liner, and I'm just going to outline my lips. I just find it easier to line your lips before you go in with a liquid lipstick. And the liquid lipstick that I'm using is by NYX, and it's Exotic. This lipstick is very similar to Riot by Lime Crime. And guys, that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to go in with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just going to make sure that I set that, giving it more of a dewy look. And then I'm just going to go in with my wet brush, and I'm going to brush my hair all into a ponytail. I have shorter hair and I did have a bob, so I go in with my Kenra hairspray just to ensure that all the little hairs are put up. And then after, I'm just going to go in and fix that stuff after. Now I'm just going to grab one extension clip, and I'm just going to go in and clip it around the ponytail just to give me some body and length. And once the extensions are clipped, I'm just going to kind of twist it around and create a bun. And then I'm just going to grab a bobby pin, and then I'm just going to pin the bun in place, so that way I can go in and pin all the little hairs that are falling out in the back of my hair that didn't want to stay in the ponytail. I'm just going to pin those with a bobby pin up as well, so that they stay in place. And then I'm going to go back in with that Kenra hairspray, and I'm just going to lay down the little baby hairs so that the front of my hairline looks nice and full. And then I'm just going to go in and clean up any like hairs that are sticking up, and just make sure that everything is nice and flat. The more bobby pins you need, go ahead. I just spread out the buns so it looks nice and full and even, and I'm just placing those bobby pins where they need to be. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. Comment down below any other videos you guys would like to see. And feel free to share. Share away, sister. Share away. Share it. And thank you once again so much for all the love and support. And until next time, stay blessed. Love you. My baby. I love you.
Love you.
I love you more.
Love you more.
I love you more. Go.
Yes.
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 Go.
I want to do your hair.
No, get out. Get out. I'm going to the gym. Who does their makeup when they go to the gym? Just kidding. I don't even go to the gym. And it's party hair. When I went to cosmetology school, they always told me an updo is not a good updo unless you can party with it. That means if you can whip your hair back and forth and it won't fall out of place. Kind of did right here. And it won't fall out of place, then it's a good updo. I'm gonna sit back like this. Yo. Welcome back. Welcome. I can't. Oh my gosh. Why are these so hard? Why?